Best wireless CarPlay adapters provide seamless cable-free connectivity, faster access to apps, safer driving, and enhanced convenience with factory head units. My today's video is about top 5 best wireless CarPlay adapters for factory head units that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Zuho Wireless CarPlay Adapter. This wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter delivers an impressive upgrade for drivers who want a cleaner and smarter in-car experience. The plug-and-play setup is incredibly simple. Just connect it once, and the adapter automatically reconnects every time you start the vehicle. Its advanced 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, and powerful 8A chip provide fast, stable, and lag-free performance for navigation, streaming, calls, and voice assistance. The compact, lightweight design is another major advantage, preventing signal interference while fitting neatly into any dashboard setup. Support for both USB-A and USB-C connections makes it compatible with a wide variety of modern vehicles. It works smoothly with iPhone and Android devices, supporting over 800 factory-wired CarPlay and Android Auto vehicles from 2016 onward. The included 365-day warranty and lifetime technical support add extra confidence, making this adapter a reliable and convenient solution for upgrading factory head units to a fully wireless driving experience. Now our second product is Infotainment Wireless CarPlay Adapter. This upgraded wireless CarPlay adapter is an excellent solution for drivers who want a cleaner and more convenient in-car experience. It quickly transforms factory-wired CarPlay into a wireless system, allowing seamless access to navigation, music, calls, messages, and Siri without dealing with tangled cables. The connection process is simple and fast, requiring only a few setup steps before it automatically works every time you start the car. Its slim and compact flat design blends naturally with the vehicle interior while taking up very little space. Despite its small size, the adapter delivers smooth and stable performance for everyday driving needs. Compatibility is another strong advantage, supporting most factory-wired CarPlay systems with reliable connectivity. The FCC-certified build adds confidence in safety and quality, while free lifetime firmware updates help keep the device optimized over time. Combined with the included 1-year return and exchange warranty, this adapter offers strong value, convenience, and long-term reliability for modern drivers. Our third product is GFWRLC 2026 Mini Wireless CarPlay Adapter. This wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter delivers a premium upgrade for drivers seeking a cleaner, cable-free driving experience. Setup is impressively simple. Just plug it into your vehicle's USB port, pair your phone once, and it automatically reconnects every time you start the car. It preserves all factory controls, including touchscreen functionality, steering wheel buttons, and voice assistance, ensuring a smooth and familiar user experience. The dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi technology provides fast, stable connectivity with minimal latency, making navigation, streaming, and hands-free calls consistently reliable even in weak signal areas. Its compact, invisible design blends neatly into the dashboard, while the included USB-C adapter increases compatibility across modern vehicles. Built with aircraft-grade aluminum, the adapter offers excellent heat dissipation and durability during extended drives. The shock-resistant construction also maintains a stable connection on rough roads. With broad compatibility for most factory-installed CarPlay systems, this adapter combines convenience, speed, and long-term reliability in one compact device. Now number 4, Lamto 3-in-1 Wireless CarPlay Android Auto Adapter. This wireless CarPlay adapter stands out as a powerful all-in-one entertainment and connectivity upgrade for compatible factory-wired CarPlay vehicles. Beyond converting wired CarPlay and Android Auto into a seamless wireless experience, it also transforms the dashboard into a complete multimedia center with built-in streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and TikTok. The added USB playback support is especially useful for offline entertainment during road trips or areas with weak network coverage. Setup is simple and hassle-free. After the first Bluetooth and Wi-Fi pairing, the adapter reconnects automatically every time the vehicle starts. The dual-band Wi-Fi technology delivers fast and stable performance, allowing navigation, streaming, music, and calls to run smoothly without lag or interruptions. Another major advantage is its OTA update support, keeping apps and performance optimized over time. The advanced cooling system and durable chip design ensure reliable operation in extreme temperatures, making it dependable year-round. Overall, it's an excellent upgrade for drivers wanting smarter, wireless, and entertainment-focused driving. And our last choice is AutoCast Mini Slim. The AutoCast Mini Slim wireless CarPlay adapter delivers an impressive combination of convenience, compact design, and reliable performance. Its ultra-small size makes it almost invisible inside the vehicle, helping maintain a clean and modern dashboard appearance while still being easy to handle thanks to the textured grip design. One of its biggest strengths is the fast automatic reconnection feature. After the initial setup, the adapter quickly reconnects within seconds every time the engine starts, eliminating the need for cables or repeated pairing. Support for two Remember devices also adds extra convenience for shared vehicles. Performance remains smooth and stable due to the advanced dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz wireless chipset, ensuring reliable navigation, music streaming, and hands-free calling even in busy urban environments. Full support for factory controls, including touchscreen, steering wheel buttons, and voice assistance, preserves the original driving experience. With OTA updates, wide compatibility, and a reassuring 2-year service plan, this adapter is an excellent upgrade for drivers wanting wireless simplicity without sacrificing performance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.